Welcome back to another episode of Smooth Operator Trucking, where we create the dream 1 mile at a time. Today we're going to be talking about my best or highest grossing paying load at Mercer Transportation, and we're getting started right now. My highest grossing load since I've been at Mercer Transportation was $10,346.25. The load was going 3,150 miles, paying $3.28 per mile. After deadhead, the load paid $2.77 per mile. That's deadhead, all miles included. So total actual miles was 3,732. $6,450.65 is what I deposited into my cash flow account. And that's after Mercer's deductions, trailer rental fee. Also, I took out an advance of $2,050 for fuel. I took out more than I really had to, but I just wanted to be on the safe side. This load originated in Greenville, North Carolina. It had 3 stops in Canada, with the final stop being in Delta, British Columbia. I picked this load up on the 28th of December 2025, and I completed it January 6th, 2026. So about 8 days on this load. One of the reasons why this load was paying so good is because it was going to Canada, and also it was a forklift load. Even though I'm driving at Mercer, we do a lot of forklift loads in the drive van, and it actually, those usually play pretty well. They're very sought after. So if you ever come to Mercer, find out where the drive van, or students, find out where the forklift loads are, and try to become Canada qualified. I know you need to make sure you have a passport, and then call Mercer and find out how you become Canada qualified. It's actually very simple, very easy. It just gives you more options. One thing I liked about this load is I was only on it for 8 days. I probably could have done it a little bit quicker, but I was on it for 8 days, and everything on this load actually went really smooth. And luckily, because when I got my settlement of $6,450, I paid myself $1,000, and put some in the cash flow, some in my tax account, and then some in towards tolls, and everything else I put into my maintenance account. And thank goodness, because I had a breakdown right after this load, transmission, which that cost me almost $12,000. Anyways, hope you guys got value out of this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And last but not least, stay smooth, my friends.